Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10 Pro and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So the option which I will present you today is more developer option. So it is advanced and there is a possibility that you will even not notice the update. So your device will do it on your own without notifying you about it. So be aware about that. Let's go to the settings first of all. And here we have to scroll down to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find build number and keep tapping on it until you see the information that you're in the developer mode. Your device will ask you to enter the screen lock, if you've got one of course, to confirm the whole step, and after that it will show you notification that you're in the developer mode. After that notification, you have to go back to the general list of the settings and go to the system, which is right above the About Phone. And then scroll down a little to find developer options. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find the option automatic system updates. In my case it is turned on, however if you've got it turned off, if it looks like it, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. And if you wish, you can simply turn off developer options just by tapping on the switcher and tap on restart to fully turn off developer options. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.